We'll guide you through how to uninstall apps and programs from Windows 11.
Over time, you've probably installed a lot of apps, whether from websites or the Microsoft Store. Removing apps you no longer use is a great way to free up space and keep your system running smoothly.
So, let's get started. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom of your screen. Now, open Settings. If you can't find it, just type Settings in the search bar and click on it. From the left-hand side, select Apps. Then click on Installed Apps. Here, you'll see a full list of all the apps and programs on your computer. You can scroll through the list, or use the search bar to quickly find a specific app. You'll also notice how much storage each app is using, which helps you decide what to remove. Now, to uninstall an app, click on the three dots next to it. Then select Uninstall. Confirm by clicking Uninstall again.
Some apps may open an extra uninstaller window, just follow the on-screen instructions. Other apps, especially those from the Microsoft Store, will uninstall instantly with a simple progress bar.
Once it's done, the app will be completely removed from your system. And that's it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.